Was boy on beats, let's go.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Slims. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell to be a part of the SLIMMZZ cast and to also be notified every time I post. I'm just gonna jump right into this video. As you can see from the title, I'm just doing a sleek side part bubble ponytail, or at least that's what I call it. Right here I'm going in with the 10-in-1 hair grease, and I'm just going to grease that part that I'm going to be using for my ponytail, and then I'm just going to smooth it all down with this brush that I have. Now I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, and I'm just going to put that all around that part and basically bring it to like the middle of the shaft of my hair and just smooth that out so that I could prepare my part and the rest of my hair to be gelled down. Now I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue gel, and I'm just going to go over all of the parts I've already placed the jam, just so that it could give it that firm and sleek hold. So I'm just going to take that and go around the perimeter of my hair, and I'm going to start to work towards the back and start to brush my hair towards the back so that we can gel it down. As I'm slicking my hair back, I'm also going to grab my mousse and put that over all of the flyaways that are being stubborn right now and won't go down. So I'm just taking my mousse and the jam, the Got To Be glue, and what you just saw me use was a volumizing spray. And even though it says volumizing, when it does dry, it hardens my hair a little bit, but it's not like a crunchy feeling. It just gives it that slick look, and it just holds everything in place. So I'm just going to do that all around my head. Use the mousse, the volumizing spray, the Got To Be glue, and the jam. So I know I look a little rough in this video, but I promise I'm doing this very softly. But I'm taking a comb and I'm just basically smoothing my hair out and going in with the brush, and I'm just going to do that back and forth because I'm going to get ready to put my hair inside of the rubber band soon. Okay, so the reason I turn my ponytail, or basically the back of my head, towards you guys, because I wanted you guys to start seeing how I slick everything down, because this is very important. But what I did was just take some jam and put it on the back of my head so that those flyaways will also stay in place. And I'm going to take those large rubber bands, and I'm going to take 2 of them, and I'm going to wrap them around my hair a few times so that I could secure the base for my ponytail. So after I secured my ponytail, I'm just going to take my comb and smooth out any flyaways that popped up while I was adjusting my ponytail. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb now, and I'm just going to detangle my ponytail before I braid it, because I'm going to use that as the base of my ponytail to hold my bundle. Okay, so what I'm showing you guys is that I'm taking this Shine and Jam, and I'm going to use that to help me braid my ponytail so that it's sleek and that it's as tight as it can be, so that it's hidden under the ponytail. When I'm done braiding, I'm also going to take one of the large rubber bands again and just secure the end of my braid so that it is protected under the ponytail. Okay, so what you're gonna see me do is basically set my hair with the volumizing spray. The reason why I didn't use spritz is because I was trying to revert from wetting my hair as much as possible, because then my hair will curl up. So I used the volumizing spray to set my hair to give it that hard feeling without it being crunchy. Now I'm just going to take my Got2b glue and my edge brush, and I'm just going to go in and do my edges while my hair sits. Now I'm just going to let that also dry before I add the bundle to my ponytail. Now I'm just gonna go in with one of my rapid strips, and well, I said one, but I use a couple to just basically set my edges and allow those flyaways to really set down and set in place. So I'm just gonna wrap, I think I did about 3 of these around my head, and then I'm just gonna let those sit and dry. So now the bundle I will be using is the Organic Body Wave in 30 inches. It did come pre-colored already, and all I had to do was color my hair so that I could match. It's a very good hair. It did have a little shedding because it came in a rubber band, and the rubber band was hard to take off. So now I'm just going to take a needle and thread, and I'm going to sew the 2 ends of the bundle together so that I could create one bundle to just wrap around for my ponytail. So this part right here, y'all gonna see me do is a little ghetto. Yes, I know, I understand, but I didn't want to use glue to secure my ponytail, and I can't just start my ponytail off at the base, baby, because it's gonna slide down. So what I did is I took the needle while it was still attached to the track, and I basically sewed it through just the regular part of my hair that was straight. And then I went through my hair again and basically sewed the track down to a piece of hair so that that was the base of my ponytail and that it was secured. Then I basically just clipped the thread and just tied like 2 knots and clipped the rest off, and I'm just going to start wrapping the hair. So as I'm wrapping, I'm also pulling it as I go around so that it's tight and that all the tracks line up. Then I'm just going to take a bobby pin and basically stick that in my braid. Girl, I was having a hard time, but I stuck it in there, and then I kept wrapping and wrapping, and that's basically just going to hold that in place so that it doesn't move. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the hair from the bundle and just wrap it around the weft of the track so that it is hidden and that the ponytail and my hair is blended all together. So I'm just going to wrap this hair around until it's basically all gone, and then I'm going to tuck it. as you can see, I was having a hard time tucking the ponytail, like the part I used to wrap around. So I basically just took a large rubber band and I just helped to secure the spot. So right here, I was trying to contemplate if I wanted to leave it like regular in the body wave form, or if I wanted to braid it or just do something to it. But after a while, I realized that this hair did tangle quickly, so that's why you're just gonna see me start to apply the rubber bands and do the bubble method to my ponytail. Also, for this technique, I don't think there's a right or wrong way to do it. You can measure how far apart you want the bubbles to lay, and then you can pull the hair to show how big or how small you want your bubbles to be. I was just literally probably placing a couple fingers in between each bubble and then adding the rubber bands, and then right here I just detangled the bottom, and that's how it looked. It did come out lopsided at first, and I didn't like that first bubble was so big, so I did go back in and add another rubber band, and I did end up repositioning my ponytail. But yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope this was helpful or informal to someone. I hope you guys like this style. If you'd like me to do more ponytail tutorials or hair tutorials in general, just let me know in the comments below. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be safe guys.